This video, I want to compare 3 popular fans you can find on Amazon. These are utility floor fans. There's some differences in them, difference in the power. I'm going to turn all 3 of them on in this video so we can see the difference. Let me show them to you first. This is made by this company called VEVOR, V-E-V-O-R. The second one is by Lasko, and the third one is by DeWalt. So let's go over some of the differences before. One of the ways that these fans get rated as far as how much air they move, and they use a metric called CFM that tells about basically the volume of the amount of air they're moving. The orange one here, this one's going to come in at 1,000 CFM. This black Lasko comes in at 289 CFM. Then DeWalt is at 600 CFM. You know, as far as just simply moving air, the orange one's going to move the most air, then the yellow DeWalt, then the black Lasko. Other features to notice, the orange one, it does have a timer setting up to 3 hours if you want to set it and let it turn off itself. They've got 3 speeds on all of them. The orange one's going to got 2 plugs there. The Lasko one's got 2 plugs right here, 3 speeds as well. And the DeWalt also has 2 plugs. They're also made to be put at different angles. So the DeWalt and the VEVOR, they're just made where you can prop them back at a 45-degree angle if you wanted to do that. Same thing with the DeWalt. You can tilt it back like that. You could even turn it up vertically if you want to go that route. Where the Lasko is going to have a lot of different positions that can be adjusted, as this black piece is just simply going to rotate back. You can see there, I can go all the way back here. I can start clicking it forward and rotate it to all these different positions. All right, let's turn them on. I'm going to turn them on high power, and so you can hear the noise level, but you got all this directional air down here. Again, I can set the timer if I wanted to. Turn that one off. 3 speeds on the Lasko as well. Now, just by the feel of it, this one's definitely putting out more air. It doesn't feel like 3 times as much air, just to be honest with you. But when you're talking about volume, it's not just necessarily how hard it's blowing. It's about, you know, the width, the amount of volume, overall volume. So that factors in as well, that this is a little bit wider than this. And then the DeWalt, we'll turn it on. And again, you're going to be in the middle as far as power goes on the DeWalt. These are lightweight, easy to move around. I will say on the DeWalt, I like the build of it. I like the handle. You know, they're mostly plastic construction, but I do like the overall build quality of the DeWalt better than the other 2, just in my opinion. All 3 move the air, different powers, most powerful, least powerful, second most powerful for this comparison. Sometimes it's just helpful to see them side by side. I hope this video has been helpful for you.